Welcome to Brentwood Casa.
You don't need to yell.
Welcome to Brentwood Casa. We are doing a Luma hour today, not a power hour. We're going to take this wall over here and make it an amazing gallery wall.
At Brentwood Casa, we're in a little bit of the before phase. We've gotten the rug in, the sofa, the coffee table, and some lighting, but we've got a ways to go. We've got 2 swivel chairs coming here for a little nook to enjoy the outdoors. We've got some pillows coming, but what the showstopper is of the room to really pull it all together is the styling. And the styling happening on this gallery wall is going to be fantastic because not only are we using Lumaprints and not only are we using some of the client's fabulous art, we are going to highlight it with beautiful rechargeable lighting. So lots of pieces coming together. Okay, Dave, what do you love about your room?
I love the rug and the window.
Light and the rug. Okay, great. And what are you excited about changing in this room today?
More artwork, because sort of, fill out the space with our art,
And you have lots of art that maybe you want to include from your phone that you don't know what the hell to do with, that maybe you can mix your art with your family photos and pictures?
Yes, I've been waiting for years.
Great,
Let's get started.
so we're going to be doing this wall, and I'm just curious, what over here, if anything, could we use for that wall? Is it all up for grabs, or are there certain things you want to keep in the bookcase?
I think it's all up for grabs. My attitude is kind of dealer's choice.
Dealer's choice.
In my opinion, this room is yearning for a classic gallery wall. This is the more formal space, and then we can make a more eclectic gallery wall in a family room later down the road.
Your hair is the same color as the wall. Like, can we even see you?
I'm leaning towards larger frames
Uh-huh.
and not having a table on this wall.
Great, we don't need
Just
it.
with the chairs and the beautiful outdoors, you really don't need the busyness of this with the frames.
Yeah, we might move this to the back of the sofa or move it to another location.
I think this could be really pretty over there, or we could look in a different spot in the house. First up, I'd like to identify where we're envisioning the lights.
So I know exactly where they go. It's dictated by this side of the room, and this bookcase is where that light goes. I mean, because you have a gallery wall on the left and a bookcase on the right, I wonder if over the mantle you get,
I was gonna put
you
the
do like a
landscape
mirror.
over the-
I need your help. I go.
Go. Go. Cut. You need to go to the right, like 1 inch. To the left, like a 1/2 inch. All right, my thought is we want to have this plant be the focal point in this corner. So we don't really want it to go past here. And we don't really want it, we want to give breathing space between fireplace and where the,
Well, it's the same breathing space about the bookcase.
right.
Okay.
So we're going to work backwards from there. So we're going to go, what is centered to here? And then how do we fit 3 here?
We are already feeling the vibes coming up.
It looks so good. I'm so excited to finally get something on these walls.
You know what interior design is all about? The good vibes and how you feel in a space. Styling is where all the magic happens, whether it's on a bookshelf or a gallery wall. This is where it takes your space from snoozeville to curated and personal and something that's meaningful and helps you feel great in the space. We're almost there.
All right, I want to see what we found. We're looking for 9 pieces that will work together. We can always go in and change the coloring just a little bit too to make sure that they all match.
This
was so
Love
pretty.
that we took in
Oh my
Montreux,
gosh.
Switzerland.
Oh my God, I love it.
Is that in Hawaii?
This is Iceland. We never really framed many wedding photos.
I mean, I think a good mix would be landscape, us close, wedding.
This is New Zealand, and this was a special, beautiful, special,
Like topo.
yeah, and this had a really special story behind it.
Yeah, that's all that matters.
What about this Hawaii one? I like bringing in this color. Is it kind of ties in? Because look at the colors here. You see how you've got some like little hints of blue in the painting? And
Yeah.
you've got love. The walls that'll start to tie it. So the only thing we have to now consider is if we're gonna do black and white, we're committing to black and white for all.
Why can't you mix and match?
It just doesn't look as good. It's not as cohesive. All right, so we have one silver frame and we have a white oak frame in the house that we can kind of look at. Now we can go white, which would be more classic. It would match the fireplace and the bookcase. It would bring that white, carry it through over here, or you can offset it with something that's off-white with a white matte, or you could go with a really classic polished nickel silver color. Go with a white frame with a like off-white or white matte that has a little bit of texture to it.
Well, the reason why I would probably go with a white frame is because I have brass mirrors. I have other large pieces of art in the house that have really cool gold colored wood and carved framing. So this kind of anchors it to be one thing. So now we've laid out our space. We've identified that we're gonna go with a white frame, all of the same frames. Our next step is to go back to the computer, finalize our 9 images, finalize the frame, finalize the matte size and color around each picture. And sometimes the picture will dictate what those mattes are, but we are really close and ready to order. And it is so easy to do in Lumaprints.
Lumaprints has been a game changer. Not only are they affordable, but they have fast shipping. You can get those images off your phone and onto your wall in just a few weeks.
Nothing is more fun than installation day. We are wrapping up our Luma hour here with our gallery wall. I am super happy with how it looks. Yay, good job. Tell us some of the tricks that you did when you were keeping in mind how to make installation come together and look why it does. Sometimes we don't realize there's lots of things behind the scenes.
So a few things, just to recap. We kept the top of the frames at the same horizontal line as the book casing on the other side of the mantle. We're also going to install the art light on the same horizontal plane.
Which is cordless, which you touch to turn on and recharge the bulb. Jazz hands.
We also kept the same distance between that bookcase and the mantle and these frames in the mantle to make it look cohesive like it's always been here.
It's about math. Math isn't our strong point, but think about how math can come into play in your design projects as much as I want to resist.
Yeah, Dave taking it all in.
This is where I propose to Claire. Sweet Iron Rock. And these are some sheep.
And Jamie, you were in my belly with the bottom left too. Yeah, don't you remember?
Is this Italy or Switzerland?
That's Switzerland. It was Montreux.
Thank you so much for watching our video today. We hope you learned something new about how to put a gallery wall together in your own home. If you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. It means a lot to us.
Thanks so much for being here, and subscribe to our channel to learn more about Lumaprints and gallery walls and fun things like this. I don't know what the to say. I'm peeing and it's gonna be on camera for Clinton. Sorry, Clinton.
I apologize to Clinton, don't worry.